Let me show you one of the best, very affordable smartwatches that you can currently get. And inside the box we get fairly decent manual over here. Then also your magnetic charger, which is actually pretty decent. And also your straps. By the way, you can get this watch in different color straps if you want. And also the watch itself. So when it comes to the build quality of this watch, it's actually incredibly impressive because it's literally built from metal. So everything is built from metal apart from the backplate on the watch. So obviously it's more comfortable. But again, even the button over here is actually built from very decent metal. So the build quality on this watch is actually top notch. And this is what the watch looks like on my wrist. I do have fairly small wrists. And for me, I mean, it looks absolutely awesome, I would say. And also the overall quality of the strap also actually feels fairly decent. And also we even have a nice metal buckle over here. And again, the quality and how it looks, I mean, it looks absolutely superb. And for this price, really, I think it's absolutely awesome. By the way, the best part again about this watch actually is the price with. The normal price on it is a bit under $15. Sometimes you can get it for like $10 and a bit up. But also I'll leave a link in the description where you can get this for absolutely insane deal. So if you are new user on Temu with new account, you can get essentially for less than $3. So basically click the link in the description. You will be able to actually get it for this price. So for this price, it's absolutely insane what we're actually getting over here. And also the display quality on this watch, as you can see, is very impressive as well. And we can change various watch face here as well easily. And yeah, the display is definitely one of the best things about it. Let me show you all the features this watch has. First, if you swipe down, you can get access to your notifications and also SMS messages. For example, you can even see WhatsApp messages here as well on this watch. Then if you swipe like this, you can get access to various styles. For example, your exercise records, also your weather, for example. Also check the app on the weather. You can also see your forecast for the next days. Again, on other watches this is actually not possible, so this is actually very cool. So we can also start like exercise tracking. So we have different modes for exercise tracking, cycling and stuff like that. Just some basic stuff really. So, and if you want to start something, click on it basically and we can start essentially. By the way, this watch actually doesn't have GPS internally. So if you want to track GPS activity, essentially you will need your phone in range essentially. So that is limitation. But of course this watch doesn't cost much, so yeah, it is what it is. So then also we can set actually multiple alarms here, which is very useful. By the way, this watch also has speaker here as well and also a microphone, so you can even listen to music from this watch. So also sound quality I would say is also fairly decent from it. And of course you can answer calls as well on this watch, which is very impressive. Then for example we even have a calculator, so calculator on the wrist, I mean that's absolutely freaking amazing. So stopwatch, so like a basic stopwatch really. As you can see, we can also do a split lap thing here as well. And for example, again, we can even call someone from this watch. But again, you will basically need your phone in range. So it doesn't have internal SIM card, obviously. So if I dial something, as you can see, basically starts to call through my phone, so I won't do that. But yeah, it actually works very good when I tried. And also if someone calls you, you can easily answer calls on this watch. And for this price, I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous what we're actually getting on this watch. So basically, and then if you swipe like this, you can get more like these quick things here. So like a glance essentially, so basically for your day. So for example, again, quick overview of the weather, like calendar and stuff like that. Basically alarms, upcoming alarms. Also, again, basically your daily stats. And you see, you can also click these things essentially to bring, basically see it in more detail over here. So again, stopwatch and again, these shortcuts essentially. So, and if you click this main button, essentially, we can go to all apps. So again, the speedometer, again, it's, yeah, simply shows how many steps you have done today. Messages, simply your notifications, like calls. Again, we can also like play music here as well, and also like control music on our phone as well using this watch. For example, as you see, basically I can easily start playing music. Basically but again, you need your phone in range. Basically, yep, it actually has very good internal speaker here as well, so yep, that's actually absolutely amazing. So weather, again, very good weather information, multiple alarms, the sedentary reminder, so if your watch detects that you are sitting for too long, it will essentially give you alert. Also, we can even use this watch as a remote control for a phone, so you can like press the screen and your phone will take a picture essentially, which is very cool. Also, we have this voice assistant as well essentially, but again, it simply uses your basically like Google Assistant or Siri basically, so depending on which you connect. So you see basically it feeds through my phone, and yep, overall actually, yeah, pretty impressive. And we can even find our phone here as well, and even a game here is included as well. So as you see, like simple like game basically, so we have to avoid cars basically and not to crash in them. And yeah, I mean, it's actually totally loaded actually what we actually get on this watch essentially. So also let me maybe show you some settings what we can do over here. So just like basic settings. Oh, also the brightness actually on this watch also is very good. So these are some things we can do. Also, we have this pinch to answer function as well. So if someone is calling, again, just like on the basically like super high-end watches, basically, if you wear your watch and again do this pinching motion, you can, I guess, kind of answer your call. I mean, this is absolutely impressive for this price. And other things here as well. So we can set our time, how the apps sound, and even SOS function as well. So you see basically if you actually enable the SOS function, if you set it up in your app, basically the watch can try to call basically in emergency someone. So again, you simply like enable it and yeah, basically it will call if something happens to you. And then some more stuff such as calendar, so like a full-blown calendar even. Contacts, so you can click and call someone directly. This Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp, again, this is simply like notifications from those apps. Those aren't like full apps for the WhatsApp, for example, simply like notifications. Drink reminder, and yeah, basically, as you can see, such stuff. When it comes to the features, I think this is totally loaded watch, and yeah, absolutely amazing, I think. And this is what the app looks like. So you can see your history, basically 4 steps, distance and stuff like that. Also again, more this health data essentially over here. And also we can again track exercise, so using GPS. But again, obviously you need your phone in range for this to work. And then we can set up some things basically here, your step goal. Also basically, yeah, some other things. And also we can even like upload more basically these like watch face essentially on this watch. So basically there is actually a lot of choice basically of different watch faces, as you can see. So tons of different watch faces essentially, so you can send them over to the watch. And yeah, that's actually pretty cool. So again, the app probably not as advanced as on super high-end watches, but again, it really does the job, so can't complain. And yeah, basically, if you are wondering if this watch is worth it and if you should get one, well, for this price, I think it's absolutely bargain really. So we actually get full metal build quality on this watch. Of course, apart from the back, so the back is, yeah, basically like plastic plate over here, so it's actually more comfortable for you. And yeah, again, the display quality is very nice and strap is fairly decent, and for this price, I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous, I think, what we are actually getting here. And again, even for the full like $15 this watch costs, I think it's absolutely bargain really. But again, basically click the link in description if you want to get it for absolutely insane deal. So yeah, for this price, I mean, it's literally crazy what we're actually getting. Again, this is only if you are like a new user on Temu site with a new account, so you can get it for that price. But again, if you also follow the link, that will also lead you to the cheapest listing for this watch. So again, I think it costs like maybe like $13 at the time of filming. But again, these prices change a bit. And for this price, I mean, it's, yeah, absolutely amazing. Anyway, good luck.